I'm on the back end of COVID. It's a pain in the arse. It really is. It's not as bad as, some other people. Christy, my wife, she had it really bad, and I've got a mild case of it, but it still knocks you for six, man. It knocks you for six. But I can't just set my arse and not do anything. I have to be doing something. So I thought I might as well do this, get it out of the way and do it. So what am I doing? I'm doing crispy chicken. It's got a bit of an Asian vibe. It's got a bit of a Japanese vibe, this. Crispy chicken, red pepper, miso sauce. That's where the Japanese comes in. And a nice little side salad, just to balance it out. But it's a bloody good dish. So let's crack on. Get on with it. And to the hackers who hacked my channel twice, you can go yourself. I really think my hair's lost will to live more than me. Anyway, thanks guys. Okay, let's start off with the sauce. Sliced peppers. I would use red peppers for this sauce. Transfer to a roasting tray, add some salt and olive oil, now place in the oven and cook. Easy. Next, dice onion, add olive oil to a pan, add the onions, followed by grated garlic, now sweat for about 3 minutes, just to get the onions soft. Add the roasted peppers and stir well. Add stock, I'm using chicken stock. Now transfer to a blender and blitz until smooth. Add back to the pan and reduce. At this stage the sauce will be quite watery, don't worry about it. Put it back in the pan and reduce it and reduce it and reduce it. This is what we want. The more you reduce it, the more thicker it gets, the more tastier it gets. When reduced, add red wine vinegar just to wake the sauce up, and the star of the show, some miso. One thing you never do is add miso to boiling water, you'll destroy it. Add it to low simmering water or turn the heat off, add the miso and give it a gentle stir. At this stage, it's all to taste. Make sure you mix the miso well, at the end add some parsley. Cilantro also works, season to taste if it needs it. For my protein, I'll be using thin slices of chicken. I use the meat back just to get them pretty thin. To get my chicken crispy, I'll be using a breading station. Flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, you know the drill. Add vegetable oil to a pan to get hot. Next, season the flour with salt and pepper. Add the chicken to the flour, shake off the excess, egg and breadcrumbs. I did this one more time, just skipping the flour. When the oil is hot, add the chicken. This is the most tricky part of the dish. You might not nail it first time, you might need a few goes to actually get it right, but the temperature of that oil needs to be perfect. Not too cold, not too hot, nicely golden brown breadcrumbs and perfectly cooked juicy chicken. While the chicken is cooking, get your fried egg on. Because this dish is pretty rich, I made a small salad. It also balances the dish nicely. Add arugula to a bowl, extra virgin olive oil, some red wine vinegar, and a little salt. You can also add a little lemon zest. Now lightly mix. And a few little pointers about the plating. Notice I cooked the chicken on the bias. That's to shape the chicken around the plate. Just makes it more nice instead of just plonking it down there on the actual plate. The sauce, put the sauce on the bottom because it's crispy. You don't want to put the sauce on top of the chicken because it becomes soggy. So a few little pointers. Sauce on the bottom, chicken on top. Cut the chicken on a bias, then shape it around to the plate. It looks a bit more presentable, looks more nice. And then just put a little side salad on top and put that fried egg on top of the chicken. It won't make the chicken soggy. It'll just be very, very nice.